Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Ringkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakirdob Ying Jompi
Namar ka jing Satah jong ki Ñiut harut Surok jong ka sor Jowai kad hadu bakala pen isat met hadu kata-kata ya ka sor barok ka wei menteri katanat penroy sor jong ka sor karjela uba Sniawbhalang Dhar haka santrik ubna yayong arajar arpuar unsa Hiar Jurip sa Jowai na ka benta ban wat ya ki lat kilenti ban pen khoj no ya kini ki Ñiut ki bala penjabo hadu kata-kata ya ka sor Jowai barok ka wei Hakajing ya keren bat kilat pathai kubor sembut menteri rang ba jong kejelna uba preston tensong ula kintu yiki pai ba nong song snong jong kerilom jantia bat yiki khle nong sensar bakin long ki bakeloj men sem da ka baya trailang bat ka sarkar na ka benta ban ai ka jakathe Ñiut khnang ba ka Jowai municipal board kan dubla bat pen khoj yiki Ñiut ki bala shuthe harut Surok hasor Jowai Hakajo ko por ula ongru bala da ki bos sensar snong kin ai jaka ka sarkar kan sa pentrekam na ki kor ki bor ki bakat kum gani ka jukstat ka benta bat baka jingthe ye ki Ñiut kanam longshu kum bala bread ye ki Ñiut ha marten
We have already discussed about this. I have already told you. Resolve this issue as early as possible because the more we delay, the more complication will take place. So I have already told him. I think maybe tomorrow afternoon again we will go down to Jowai side and to sort out this problem. In fact, today we discussed about this issue with the Honorable Urban Affairs Minister. That's what I'm telling you just now, that he's going, I think tomorrow, to Jowai to take stock of this situation, how to reduce these difficulties and the problem that faced by the people. The real problem that we have in our state is land issue. Because the land tenure system here in Meghalaya is so peculiar. Any government project, unless we can consent from the landowners or from the Darbar or maybe from the Jowai, whatever, will not be able to do it. My humble request to all the stakeholders, let us work jointly. Let us take the responsibility jointly. Otherwise, there is no ending of resolution to this problem that we have. Again, even if you say we will do it locally or we decentralize it, but how do you see that few households they may say no, we don't. Again, we have the same problem. And number two is, see, when we say that we are going to set up a scientific solid waste management, we cannot split that project. We cannot say that, okay, here also we will do it scientifically or here we'll do it scientifically. Because once you prepare a DPR should be 50, 60, 70 crores. So it's not at all practicable to do that. Therefore, we want a designated place, a place where the stakeholders also understand and then they give the land, they donate the land, or if not donated, we are ready even to pay land for possession. But in spite of that, as I said to you, we don't get land. That is the problem. Here it happens not only in Jowai, even here in Surok, we still have problem. I would like to request all the stakeholders. See, they thought maybe waste management will happen the same way like it happened here in Marten. But now the technology is totally different. If we set up a mechanized, scientific management, I'm telling you we don't have any problem at all. But till now we cannot remove that fear psychosis which still instilled in the mind of the people. So I would request all the stakeholders to kindly share the responsibility with the government so that this kind of hurdles that we have, this kind of problems that we have, will remove once and for all. You need a big machinery. Installation, it takes a lot of time. And then this Marten, in fact, there is no more space also. So that's why we wanted to have alternative site, and then we will do everything. And once that is done, let people also go and see by themselves that yes, everything is scientific, everything is well in that particular place.